Braylon Fife, ready to read. You ready? Here's your first word. What word is this, Braylon?
Tree.
What word is that?
Play.
Play. Good job. What word is that?
Boobies.
B.
B.
What word is that?
Kite.
Kite. What word is that?
House.
House. Very good. What word is that?
Garden.
Garden. Very good. What word is that?
Play.
Huh?
Band.
Fun. Good job. What word is that?
Trees.
Tree. What word is that?
Sun.
Sun. What word is that?
Book.
Book. What about that one? Pot. Very good. What about that?
Boys.
Boy. And what about that word?
Friend.
Friend. Awesome. What about that word?
Papa.
Ball.
Ball.
Yeah.
Ball.
Uh-oh. It's a hard one. What about that word?
Bounce.
Bounce. Awesome.
Bounce.
And what about that?
One.
Run. Get out your nose. What about that one?
Play.
Play. What about that?
Ball.
Ball. What about that?
House. Boy.
Boy. Uh-oh.
Zip.
Sit. Awesome.
Sit. Sit.
What about that word?
Kite.
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 Yeah. And what about that one?
Boobies.
Bee. Oh, you just did this one. What's that?
Zip.
Sit.
Zip. What's it sound like? Zip.
And what about this word?
Fun.
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 Oh, what about this word?
Garden.
Garden. And what about that one?
House.
House. And what about that word?
House. Tree.
Tree. Can you get out of your nose, please?
No tree.
Yeah.
Hey, did you just flick that?
What about that word?
Play.
Friend. What about that word?
Book. Book.
And what about that word?
Sit.
Sun.
Awesome job.
Yeah, awesome job, right. What about this word?
What?
Look. Awesome.
Look.
What about that one?
Hat.
Pot. Good job. Two more. And what about that word?
One.
Run. Awesome. One more. What about that word?
Bounce.
Bounce. Yeah. Great job.
Awesome job, son. Awesome job.
Yeah.
Yay.